내게로 와서 melt my heart. 봄의 향기를 담은 그대를 보면 그냥 웃음만 짓게 돼. Don't know what to say. You are just that one spring day. 설레임을 주는 걸 언젠가부터였을까. 기다림의 끝에 너를 만났고 모든 게 새로 느껴져. Something in my heart.
Guys, let me tell you a funny story. Something happened to me this morning. Today's on Sunday. You remember the time I went to Akibadaski? That day I went to the place where I used to work in electronic shop. Nikamwambia acha leo niangalie tu fridge. Yani kujinini tu. I'll even show you a photo. I took a picture of the fridge that I wanted, but God had other plans for me, and that day nilikuwa nimesema hata sitaonyesha tu vlog. Ini yangu na Mungu, hata kama nitanunua next year, like no pressure at all. But you know, when God decides to exceed your expectations, utashanga. So let's go and pick up my fridge. I just got a message from a fan, akaniambia kuna fridge anataka kuni gift, and I'm so grateful, guys. Let's go and pick up. Hata siamini bado. I'm still in awe. I'm still in awe, guys. I'm still shocked, but I'm so grateful. And when the blessing starts to come, you have to be ready, you know. You have to show God that I'm ready for everything that you have for me, and I'm going to take care of everything that you've given me, you know. So yeah, guys, let's go for the fridge.
I will cast all my cares upon you. I lay all of my burdens down at your feet. And anytime I don't know what to do, I will cast all my cares upon you. I will cast all my cares upon you. I lay all of my burdens down at your feet. 'Cause anytime I don't know what to do.
So guys, we are in the middle of the road. The car that we came in, imeisha mafuta, but it's all about the journey, not the destination. Yeah. So I'm just taking this as an experience, and I'm so grateful. Look at my fridge, double door. See God. What God cannot do does not exist. Kama kuna kitu Mungu hawezi fanya, hakuna. This is the car. The driver has gone there. Driver ameenda kutafuta pikipiki, akanini mafuta, akabai mafuta, and then he's just in the middle of the road. But I'm so grateful, guys. Hey, blessings. When God decides to do it for you, He will show up. You know, I'm so grateful. So guys, this is me. Nimesoma tu kwa gate ya mtu mali hakuna jua, and all I wanted to say is that in the midst of chaos, always be happy and grateful that you are placed in certain positions, because they will lead you to greater things. And I believe that my life itself has shown, you've seen my life and seen that it is not the end. Wherever you are and you think that it's the end, it's not. And there's better, there's always better. So yeah, guys, don't give up. Kama mimi sahi sasa najiuliza ndabai wapi vitu ni just a fridge. But whenever God gives you something, He knows you can do it. So yeah guys, I'm so grateful and wacha tungoje mafuta iletwe tuende home.
Jesus, how I trust him, how I prove him more and more. Jesus, Jesus, precious Jesus, oh for grace to trust him. Sing Jesus, 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 how I trust him, how I prove him more and more.
You'll be looking at others testifying. You need to close your eyes and get out of your personality. Do that, alright? Are you ready? Together. Chocolate.
Chapters and memories come flooding over. Where the sun sets, it gets louder. The silence is bright as day. One, two, think about all that we've been through. Looked in your eyes saying I do. Then it all fell apart. Why does it feel like it's better when you're not around? Yet when I start to fall, all I can think about is your arms around me. I played my cards out the wrong hand, and still I was scared to tell you that I shouldn't have let you go. I shouldn't have let you go. Words say never sound right at the moment. It all ends in fights we've forgotten. How hard it was to love. 3, 4 years that we took just to get here. I don't think like that, she says to me. I can't help but feel the subtleties. So if it all expires, I guess the date's not what it seems. But I can't help it, boy, she says to me. I'm not sure I truly gave my best. Made a home but still feel like a guest. And if I've made just one mistake, it's not speaking with my chest. Maybe I'll just cry a little less. The tension, headaches always get to me. Often leave me dazed and wondering.
Good evening guys, I'm currently at the fundi. I've come to confirm where the work has reached because I gave him work and tengeneze kitanda because he also made my seat. He's relatively affordable, that's why I came to him. So yeah guys, I came to confirm and he has already made the headboard but not the size that I wanted, so he has to redo it. So yeah guys, he's a patient foodie, so I'll put his number down here and then maybe you can contact him if you want any work. Namwambia Lavindo amewatuma ndo nipe discount. Yeah guys,
this all feels like a game. Maybe this whole quarantine's to blame. I don't know if you still love me, but I still feel the same.
For what it's worth, that's how I feel today. So will I float like leaves do in the wind? Will I sink as soon as I jump in? I'm sure my feet will touch the ground, but I can't swim. And I'm not sure it matters in the end. I know that I should practice.
Good morning, guys. Today's on Tuesday. It's such a beautiful day outside, and I thank God for another day to see beautiful things, and I'm so grateful, guys. Was it on Sunday? Yesterday I was so busy. Yesterday was on Monday. I went to get the new stock. Today I'm supposed to model for the new stock so that I can share them with clients. And on Sunday in the evening I cleaned the fridge. I've not turned it on yet. I want to buy things first before I turn it on, otherwise why would I be turning the fridge on if there's nothing inside? Exactly. So I'm going to show you the fridge. Nimeifungua tu because if I leave it closed itakuwa damp, itatoa harufu. So for any suggestions, tell me, guys. But nataka nikienda nataka kununua vitu za kienyeji. I really love eating mboga ya kienyeji. So that's what I'm going to buy. Nijaze na hiyo fridge na nyanya na vitu na vegetables. Yeah, guys. Siamini sasa niko na fridge. But I'm so grateful. I'm so happy, and yeah, happy new week to me. Let's go. Let me show you the fridge, guys. So guys, this is how the fridge looks. I just cleaned it. I cleaned it on Sunday. Nikaiacha wazi, a whole 2-door fridge, and this is how it looks on the inside. Siko sure kama hii side ya white nafaa kuwa na side ya ndani ama nje, but nimeweka na side ya nje because it looks nicer that way. Tuko na hii ice tray. Ni ice tray nimeka hapo ice cubes. Ndo hii on this side. Kuna hii nini ya mayai iko hapo. And then we go down to the freezer, and this is how it looks, guys. Yeah, nikifunga I did thorough cleaning on this fridge, guys, and nikifunga, this is how it looks, guys. Oh, such a beauty. It's so beautiful. Yeah, guys, I'm so blessed. I'm so blessed and I'm so grateful, and yeah, it's currently 10:45. I want to cook ugali and omena. I know you're wondering, Lavi, why are you eating like a whole course meal in the morning? But I've just realized eating in the morning is better than drinking tea, although sometimes unaweza kunywa chai ukikula chakula. There's a time I used to judge my uncle for eating ugali every morning. Nashangaa mtu mbona anakula ugali asubuhi, but I'm now just like him, but sit nakula daily. I just feel like when I eat ugali in the morning, or when I eat like a whole meal in the morning, nakuanga nimeshiba from like the time I've eaten at around 3 or 4 p.m, which is better for someone who stays alone kwa sababu utashinda kwa jikoni kila saa. No, so it's easier that way, guys. So let's start cooking.
Take my hand and hold it tight. Look at the paintings, I'll be your guide. Don't stop looking in my eyes. Are you cold? Do you want to sit down? I've been here a million times, so I know my way around. Don't stop looking at me now. I know you don't care as much as I do, but I'm just content with me next to you. Let's go to an art museum, I'll explain it at the coffee shop. I know you don't get it, but there's no need to fret it. It's like a gift, it's about the thought. No name might be too much, and Van Gogh might take a while. But thank you for coming. I know that you're trying to do anything to make me smile. I'll have a cup of tea while you have a latte for both you and me. The caffeine will make sure that you don't fall asleep, 'cause darling, you're sleepy, eyes are closing. Please stay awake for me. I know you wanna go, but please stay here with me. I could show you things that you've never seen. Let's go to an art museum, I'll explain it at the coffee shop. I know you don't get it, but there's no need to fret it. It's like a gift, it's about the thought. No name might be too much, and thank
Good evening, guys. It's currently 2 p.m. I've worn one of my dresses. I want to model. Since the sunlight right now, I've moved my chair back. I want to change the position of my mirror because I was modeling in my kitchen, and right now I can't model there because of the fridge. So I need to change the position of where I'm modeling. So I decided to come and model in the sitting room. This is one of the pieces. It's so beautiful. I love the green. The green is so nice. So yeah, guys, let me move the mirror and then we start modeling. Good evening, guys. This is the evening. I want to prepare something to eat. Yeah, guys, I want to cook ugali and eat it with my omena. Today nimekula tu omena and yeah, guys. Good evening, guys. So it's currently 7 p.m. I just finished I finished taking photos of the clothes a while back, and then I told myself let me go and sleep, and hata sijalala, nilikuwa tu TikTok. So now I want to cook supper, nikule mapema, nilale mapema, and then tomorrow I wake up and I edit this vlog. I upload this vlog tomorrow. Tomorrow is on Wednesday, so I'll be uploading on Wednesdays and Saturday or Sunday, one of those days. So yeah, guys, I'll see you guys on the next vlog, and on the next vlog we're going to fill my fridge, inshallah. God is great. We're going to fill my fridge with groceries, and we're going to turn it on. So yeah, guys, I'm so grateful, and I'm just going to give you a challenge for this week. Be the reason why someone believes good people still exist, because it's hard for people to believe that, especially when they've had people be harsh to them all their lives. And it's good to see someone be kind to you or nice to you. That's why I really advocate for being kind. That's like the motto of my channel, always be kind. So this week I'm just asking you to be kind, whether to your colleague. Kubeba chakula mingi, one colleague wako leo hajabeba lunch, you can share with them. Just be kind to someone. Be kind to someone who's next to you. Yeah, guys, I'll see you guys in the next vlog. Bye.
I guess the date's not what it seems, but I can't help it, boy, she says to me.